I just wanted to show you that it's really easy to make your own cream cheese frosting. And we have the magic bullet. You need your allulose. You need 1 cup of allulose. So I do a half a stick of butter. Cream cheese. Remember I told you guys how to do a nice soft cream cheese. Powdered sugar, which I didn't show you guys, is the sugar. And some cornstarch, just a tablespoon of either tapioca flour or apple. And you're going to get a little darker than you want, but this is what I have. Now it's ready to go on the cake.